The latest Microsoft MB-330 dumps are free shared on Passcert channel for your preparation. 1. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The company classifies and tracks products based on how useful they are for achieving their business goals. Certain product classifications are important in relation to inventory controls and margins. Other classifications have a small profit margin and are less important for inventory variances. The classification configuration must feed into existing classification reports and system logic. You need to configure the products for the classifications. Where should you configure the classifications? A. Unreleased product variant. B. Released product variant. C. Product attributes. D. Unreleased product. E. Released product. Answer: C. 2. You need to configure the system to automatically enforce inbound and outbound product requirements to and from the warehouse. Which feature should you use? A. Quality associations. B. Quality orders. C. Quarantine zones. D. Quality tests. E. Non-conformances. Answer: B. 3. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management for wave processing. The system must automatically create a wave when a sales order is released to the warehouse. You need to configure the system to meet this requirement. Which configuration should you enable? A. Automate wave release. B. Assign to open waves. C. Process wave automatically threshold. D. Automate wave creation. Answer: D. 4. A company implements Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The company uses the demand forecasting service to generate a statistical baseline forecast for one allocation key at a time. The process takes too long to complete. You need to ensure better performance of the service. What should you configure? A. Storage account name. B. Storage account key. C. Custom storage account. D. Request response mode. Answer: D. 5. A company decides to implement planning optimization. Company auditors need to know where the service will run physically once it is enabled for Dynamics 365 supply chain management. In which location will the service run? A. On premises at the company. B. On the same SQL server as the Dynamics 365 supply chain management instance. C. In any data center, regardless of where the Dynamics 365 supply chain management instance exists. D. In the same data center country or region as the Dynamics 365 supply chain management instance. E. In the Microsoft Dataverse. Answer: B. 6. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The company does not use variants and sells items only out of a single legal entity. You need to configure the system to avoid unnecessary product creation overhead. What should you do? A. Create a released product master. B. Create a personal template for unreleased products. C. Create a released product. D. Create an unreleased product and release the product. E. Create a shared template for unreleased products. Answer. C. 7. You need to address the inventory costing requirements. What are two possible ways to achieve the goal? Each answer represents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Use FIFO with marking. B. Create purchase orders from sales orders. C. Set up commodity pricing. D. Create a costing version. E. Set up a costing sheet. Answer. C. E. 8. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The finance department processes royalty claims using the accounts payable module. You need to pass the claims to the accounts payable group for payment. Which three events will occur? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. A royalty accrual journal posting reverses the previous interim postings for accrual and expense amounts. B. A credit is posted to the vendor's payable account. C. A vendor invoice for the royalty payment is set to draft. D. A new vendor invoice for the royalty is created and posted. E. A hold is put on the amounts held in the royalty fees account. Answer. A, B, D. 9. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. Inventory value is standard and updated only once per year. The company wants to convert costing from standard to moving average. You need to convert the items from standard to moving average. Which three actions must you perform? Each answer presents a partial solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Change the item group. B. Adjust the inventory quantity to 0. C. Adjust the inventory cost to 0. D. Run inventory close. E. Change the item model group. Answer. B, C, E. 10. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. A customer negotiated a sales price for 100 items for the next 60 days. Management reviews reports on how many items the customer has purchased at this price. The customer has an existing order for the agreed sales agreement quantity. The customer calls to add an additional quantity that exceeds the sales agreement maximum amount. The customer is not entitled to the discounted sales price outside of the agreement. You need to ensure that the customer receives the ordered amount and that the management reports are correct. Which action should you perform? A. Modify the sales agreement quantity as unconfirmed. B. Edit the sales order quantity and when prompted to save changes, select Yes. C. Modify the sales agreement to clear the max enforced checkbox and do not confirm. D. Create a new sales order for the quantity that exceeds the sales agreement amount. Answer. B.